Typically, you need to do your research. Talk to friends, family, coworkers. Try to decide who the best lawyer for you is. Once you decide that, hey, I'm going to go with this attorney, then this is typically what the process is. That lawyer will want to get you signed up and sign a contract that says that lawyer is representing you. So if it's us, we're going to have a contract for you to sign that says I'm your attorney, and a medical authorization so that we can gather your medical records and bills and all that. We have 7 offices, so we cover the whole region, and so we try to make it convenient for our clients. Now, you can come into one of our offices. We'd be happy to meet with you. We can do an e-sign where you do your doc sign over your smartphone. We can do that. But we also have investigators that go out to basically make house calls. And so we can come to you and get that initial contract paperwork signed to get started representing you. Usually at that same time, we're going to want to pick up any documents that you have, medical records, bills, any evidence that you have that you want us to take a look at. We're going to also want to make sure we get good photographs of your injuries. We're going to go to the scene and get pictures and do measurements of the accident scene. We're also going to go find your vehicle and the at-fault driver's vehicle and make sure we have good photographs. We also have a team that can go out and do an accident reconstruction. And so if it's the type of accident that requires that, a tractor-trailer case or a serious impact type case, we'll have an accident reconstruction team that will actually go out and do the type of reconstruction that we need to prove what actually happened. Once that initial stuff is done, we're going to get a copy of the accident report. We're going to contact the insurance companies involved. Your insurance company, to let them know what's going on, that we're representing you and that we're going to be making this claim on your behalf. But also the at-fault driver's insurance needs to be contacted, a claim opened, and they need to understand that we're going to be representing you and that we're going to be pursuing this claim on your behalf. One of the first things after we do that is we're going to try to resolve your property damage issues. And that's usually done within the first week to 10 days after an accident. So we're going to get you into a rental vehicle while your car is being repaired, or during that time when it takes for the insurance company to process a total loss claim. We don't charge any fee on the property damage part of the case, but we think it's important that we're there to help make sure things go smoothly and that you can focus on what's important, which is getting better, getting the medical treatment that you need, and you don't have those problems to deal with. So we're there to help with that. Our fee comes out of any settlement that we're able to get for you on your injury claim. So the next thing we're going to do is focus on that part of it. We're going to make sure that you're getting the medical treatment that you need. Assuming you went to the emergency room and now you're needing follow-up care, we're there to help make sure that you get in to see the doctors you need to see. If there's additional testing you need, we're going to make sure that happens. If you need to see a physical therapist, a chiropractor, whatever medical treatment you need, we're going to be there to make sure that happens and that you're not having to pay any money out of pocket. The next thing after that is we're just making sure that you're getting the treatment you need, and then once you do get to the point where the doctor releases you, and that may be weeks down the road, it may be a month, it may be longer than that, but when you get to that point and you're ready to settle your case, hopefully you're back to normal, you're feeling good, you're back to work, everything's rocking along and you're ready to settle your claim, we're going to put together what we call a settlement packet or settlement brochure that has a copy of everything in there that we need to basically tell your story, what you've been through, how this wreck has impacted you, what your damages are, what you're entitled to be compensated for. And so we package all that information up, we send it to the insurance company, and then we start negotiating with them back and forth until we get you that fair settlement.